at the NRA convention. I love this place. We're having a wonderful time. I'm at the BENELLI USA booth, and I'm standing next to one of my favorite people in the world, Mr. Joe. And Joe's going to talk to us about some of these shotguns behind him.
Well, Becky Lou, as you know, the BENELLI line is sort of the flagship brand for BENELLI USA, which includes other brands like Bronchi, Stoger, and Verdi.
Yes.
These are the guns that the go-to guns, so to speak, and of course the absolute premium 12 gauge is the Super Black Eagle 2, and this is a 3.5-inch gun.
Okay, 3.5 inch. Oh, it just hardly weighs anything.
I know.
It's amazing how long.
Now it'll also cycle everything else. It'll cycle 3 and 2 3/4 inch as well.
It will.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, but the question is, does this gun look good on you?
Well, I don't know. It disappeared.
It disappeared into my camo.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so this is the full line here.
Okay, now are you picking up enough sound on this? Okay, the other one that of course has been extremely popular is this is the Super Vinci, which is the 3.5-inch version of the Vinci.
Didn't we shoot that in 2011?
Yes, we did.
Yes, and I did good. I got
You did.
turkey.
You did very good.
2011 with this gun. Again, very light.
Yes.
And,
yes.
and we sighted them in and patterned them in and shot, and we didn't have any problem with the recoil whatsoever. And that's because of the special, what's it called, the inertia driven.
Well, all of these guns work with the inertia driven system, which has to do with the way the bolt operates.
Right.
And absolutely reliable and dependable, and works in any condition, any circumstance.
That's the thing. That's the thing.
Total reliability.
Yeah.
This is the Vinci, which is the 3-inch.
Okay. The Super Vinci is the 3.5.
3.5, yeah.
It's so light. I mean, women cannot use the excuse of having to carry around a heavy gun. Not with this one.
No, sure can.
Not that excuse. Talk at that excuse. It ain't gonna work. That's good. All right.
So those are the stars of the BENELLI line.
All right. Plenty of stars here. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Joe, so much.
Thank you.
Nice to see you.
Great to see you again.
Okay, guys. I'll check it out down the road and show you some more neat stuff.